Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Coding Easily. Today we will discuss the one of the very important question for the tree, for the binary tree, which is nothing but how to print nodes at the given level. Okay, so first thing is, hey, you will say what is the level? So level is nothing but if you will start from the top side. So the first node which will come, you can say at the level number 1. Okay, now next we will go to the level number 2. Level number 2 has two nodes, node number 2 and the node number 3. Now if you will go downside, you will see that there are 4 nodes which are at the level number 3. So this is kind of the hierarchy which we can say, just like this is the this is your grandparent, this is your parents, these are your parents, and you can see here are your children or you guys. Okay, so there are 3 different level of hierarchy we have, and it will start from the level 1 to 3. Now in some of the books you will also see that for the root number they will define the level as 0. So absolutely fine. Okay, if you will start from the level 0, it will be level 1, it will be level 2. If you will start from level 1, it will be level 1, it will be level 2, it will be level 3. So the concept wise things will be almost same, nothing will change. Okay, the way how you are representing it can be different. Okay, so do not worry about that part, that is absolutely fine. Now for example here, what is the level of node number 1? So I can say node number 1 level is 1. Okay, let's say what is the level of the node number 2? Level of node number 2, how you will find? You will start from the top. You know that level of the root number node number 1 is 1. So once you will come downside, you will just increment the level by 1, and at the node number 2 you will say, hey, its level will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. So we can see it is 2. Now what is the level of the node number 5? You got the level for the node number 2. Again you will go, once you will go towards downside, once you will go towards left side or the right side, you need to increment the level by 1. So once you will come to the node number 5, just increment the level of the parent level plus 1. So level of 5 will be nothing but level of parent plus 1. So it will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. All right. Now in this problem, what we want to find out? We want to find out you need to print all the nodes at the given level. So let's say we got the question is input is 3. Okay, we need to print all the nodes which are present at the level number 3. How to do that? Okay, so how we can do that? We will just do, let's say you will start from the 1, you will come to the second level, you will come to the third level. You will see there are 4 nodes at the level 3. What are those? 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? So output of this question will be nothing but 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Now do not worry, let me explain you in detail about that, how it's working and what we can do that. Okay, so in this question what we will do is how this algorithm, how we can print the nodes at the particular level. All right, so you just need to write one method. In that method you need to pass the current level. That is the one thing. Along with that you need to pass the level on for which you want to print the node. Okay, so what will, okay, let me do the dry run. Okay, so for the root number 1, once you will call a function, you will pass the level of the root node, start from 1. Okay, and let's say you want to print the node at the level number 3, then it means that you need to write down 3 as the second parameter. Okay, saying that I want to print all the nodes which are present at the level number 3. All right, this is the very important. Now along with that you need to pass the current level, which will be starting from 1. So in that method, what is the first thing you will do? You will compare the current level with the given level. This one, are they same? No, they are not same. Okay, what you will do? You will go towards left side as well as you will go towards right side. Now once you are going from parent to child, you need to increment current level by 1. Okay, so once you will reach here, you will increment 1 by 1. So it will be 2 now, and 3 will always be same because 3 is representing nodes which you want to print. Okay. Now, similarly, once you will come here, you will increment the current level by 1. And along with that, you will pass the 3 as your level on which you want to print the node, right? Again, you will compare. Are these two same? No, they are not same. So you will not print, right? You will not print it. You will come towards downside now. Once you will come downside, again, you will increment the current pointer as 3, 2 plus 1, and your level is already 3, right? So here what you are seeing, hey, these two are same, right? If these two are same, it means you need to print the root value, the node value. So current node value is nothing but 4. So you will print 4 here. Similarly, once you will come from 2 towards right side, again you will increment 2 by 1. So you will get 3 and 3 here. All right. So again you will print the 5 here. This way you will print 6 also, and this way you will print 7 also. All right. So this is how this approach will work, right? We got all the nodes 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now let me quickly explain you in the code. Okay. So this is the code here, which I have written the code. In that code, what we are doing, we have one method. Okay. In that method, we will pass the root node. And I told you we'll pass 2 parameters, current level and the level for which you want to print the nodes. So these are the 2, current level and the level. All right. Now, what is the first condition? I told you in every question of the tree, this is the first thing which you need to write down. If root is null, just return it from here, because this will stop your recursive call. Very, very important. This is also known as the base case of the regression. All right. Now, when this is done, what I told you, you just need to compare the current level with the level. If they are same, just print the root data and return from here. Okay. So this is how we will achieve our logic. All right. Now, if you are going towards left side, you need to increment the current level by 1. Once you are going towards right side, you need to increment the level by 1. All right. Very simple, right? So let us quickly run it and we can test it. So here, if I will pass root and current level will always start from 1, and we want to print, let's say, node at the level number 3. How to do that? So if we will run this, we'll see, okay, these are the nodes which are present at the level number 3. If let's say I want to print the nodes at the level number 2, we should get 2 and 3. Okay, so let us run it. We are getting 2 and 3. Do not worry about this height, because this is the thing which I already discussed in my previous video. Okay, so you can see 2 and 3. These are the nodes which are present at the level number 2. Now, I hope it is clear. If still you feel something is not clear, you can take a screenshot of this piece of code and just write down the code and run it. And then step by step, you can debug this code. All right. So how to debug it? Very simple. This is how we can debug it. So start from root, while coming towards left side, increment the current level by 1. And this way you can debug the code, where it is failing, what issue you have. And I hope it will be clear then. All right, everyone. So if you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and please stay tuned for the next video. Bye, everyone.